We in the new house. We in the new house. We in the new. We in the new. Y'all, I literally ran home to get out of my work clothes so I could be. I look very regular. I'll show you guys later, but I was not about to show up to this closing in my scrubs because nah, I just wasn't about to do that. Because I'm all about, like, I want to probably take a picture, and yeah, my husband dresses nice for work, so I was like, yeah, no, I got to get out of these scrubs. So I literally have just like 10 minutes to get there, but he's already there, so it's not a big deal. But yes, we're excited. Today is closing day, you guys, and I cannot wait to start this new journey of homeownership. So, and of course I'm taking y'all with me. The fun part about having a teenage, like a preteen, is we can kind of go back and forth in certain things, like, and share. I'm obviously a lot thicker, and I'm grown, but like I have on her coat because I bought her this coat. I don't buy my kids coats their size, like I get it a size bigger. So this is like an adult small or medium, and yeah, it's cute. It's just the coat. It's cold, you guys. The temperature has really dropped in Arkansas, so I threw this coat on, some leggings, and my 9060 New Balances, because those have been my go-to. That's like my go-to outfit these days. Leggings, my 9060s, and a hoodie or a jean jacket or something. Like, that's like my go-to. But yeah, I get to kind of shop. We get to shop each other's closet. It's more so annoying when she shops my closet, but you know, every time I'm able to go in there and find something of hers, I'm like, ooh, getting skinty. I didn't even vlog.
What are you on?
You was bumping when you pulled up. Baby, you're a homeowner again. Hold on. Y'all, look at this. This man got your eyes. Look at my man eyes.
Can I eat?
Okay, go ahead and eat.
Thank you.
Cold, y'all. We finna go in Lowe's. Y'all, we're looking at refrigerators. You like that one? This is the one Babe picked out. Really can't open it because it's deep.
That's what she said.
We didn't measure from the back, but it says counter depth. If this one's 35, surely that's not too deep, is it? George, get your mind out the gutter. Fridge part. Is this the only counter depth ones? This one's cute too, but why it cost so much?
Yeah, we ain't paying 2700.
What's up, you guys? I need to go ahead and order something to eat because it is 9 o'clock. I am starving. I feel nauseous. Look at today is move day. Okay, today is moving day. I am pretty excited, but I have so much to do, and I work tomorrow. So it's 9 o'clock. We gotta see what all we can accomplish. Hubby just went to go get the U-Haul. So I'm about to order some food, and then I'll pick it up. So when he gets back, you know what I'm saying? Everything is not packed either because we are who we are, okay? The majority of stuff is packed. I just have to, like, there's like a bunch of small stuff that ain't packed that I'm about to just throw in boxes because I don't have time. That is giving me anxiety. But I'm about to order some food. I'm gonna order from this little cafe from where I live. It's so good and it's so affordable. It's just really good. It's a cute place too. Ooh, I wonder if I can go get an adjustment real quick. Let me do that. Let me call them because I need an adjustment so bad. Hi Becky, it's Jasmine. Well, I was wondering if you guys had anything open this morning. by chance? And oh, okay. You want me to do the 10:30? Okay. Yeah, do the 10:30. I'm gonna make it work. Because I need to go. I need the chiropractor. So I'm gonna go get the food, bring it back, go to the chiropractor. Y'all, we gonna make it work. Let's tear this up real quick. Oh my goodness. Go, Remy. Go see. Come on. You want to go explore? Wow. Is this your house? Wow. We are in our home, you guys. Look at... Hold on. I'm really containing myself. I'm gonna cry later. Thank you, Jesus. Look at my kitchen. Y'all. Babe, this kitchen, though.
Say what's your price. Just to back it up, you can hold my eyes. Now let's say you owe me something. Now let's say you owe me something.
Excited, you guys. We're like mostly done packing, which, okay, so we packed everything. We moved all of the main like big items. So it's really just like all the small things that we have to do, which is, you don't realize how much shit you have until it's time to move, right? But I'm heading back to the old house to pay the cleaners because the cleaners are there and I need to pay them. And then I'm going to try and run to the water department so I can hook up the water in our name instead of the sellers. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm feeling exhausted, but I'm gonna push through because it you know, the adrenaline and the excitement is helping us like keep going. So yeah, that's what's up. That's what we're doing. Did they leave? Oh, I'm like, what the heck? Okay, let me go in here. Got done eating. We went to Chick-fil-A because y'all know I'm not about to cook tonight. I've been moving all day. Our refrigerator is still, how long do we gotta wait? Because it says, I'm thinking like 6 to 12 hours at least. It's cold right now and it says it's at like 37 degrees. It should be ready, but I'm just extra precautious, so I'm just gonna wait the 6 hours. What do you think about the new house? This is actually Mason's first time seeing the house. What do you think?
Rating at a scale out of 10?
He scared me today, but we'll talk about that in another
Rating scale
video.
out of 10, I'm giving it an 8.5. My room is not really big. Their room is the size of our own house.
Yes. No, it's not. You like how my room and all that side of the house?
Yeah, your room is basically like our entire old house and like the kitchen and the living room combined.
I'm gonna try to clean up, you guys, a little bit before I head to
It's not fair.
Walmart because I have to get some stuff before tomorrow.
It's not fair.
Yes, say thank you, Jesus.
Thank you,
That never got us.